That's a good thumbnail right there. Ooh. Look at this. Mr. Look. Look at.
How are you cold in that?
Is it bad that I'm recording all these cars driving by? Look at that. Guys, I say we stay here. Look at how good this place is. This is better than an iPhone 14, you know that? Look at that. Bro, Kyle's laughing. Oh, wait.
Merry Christmas, guys. You can split them up.
Oh, yeah. Split them up. Give me one. Honestly, waving at you. Wait, why are Kyle and Dylan the same farm? He does look very depressed.
Actually, you can school too. Imagine he watches this video.
He will. That's the thing. He will watch this video. I don't want him to. Yeah?
It's broomball. Who plays broomball?
That's broomball.
Well, it's some people who are doing broomball.
Oh yeah, I know Shaylin does broomball. That's the only sport she does. Technically, right now, you guys have never done a sport. I karate. Yeah, okay, not mono.